Finished up day 3. Made a nice big pass. Yeah. Lots of people here.
Ooh, slingshot engage. We got third gear shift. Had an easy start. Oh man, I'm ready for this now. Let's see what we got. 14.92. Hey, we broke 14 today. That's good. All right, let's speed back down to the lap to try and run another one quick. This will be good. If we can keep these above 14, that'll help our average a lot. I like to try and get to the 14.7, 14.5, but I don't know if I can drive it that quick. Oh, 54! Oh, 54? Yeah. Nice! Really good. Our shifts were nice and quick. Jumped on it. You kind of see how I squat lower. Feel like I was riding a motorcycle, but I'm not. Squat lower doesn't help anything. That felt good. Alright, let's turn the corner. Get our helmet off and do some time checking. Oh, there's the turn. That's a break. Oh yeah, I felt that. 14.64! Woo! 96.72 miles an hour. That's the best pass yet of my whole race week career, my whole racing career. That's the best pass I've ever had. Woo! I feel good now. Let's go hot lap another one. Let's go try and get one more in and see if we can even better that. That was, oh, we're getting there. Didn't I say I wanted to get 14.7, 14.6? I like to try and get to the 14.7, 14.5, but I don't know if I can drive it that quick. Hey yo! Guess what, Corey? 14.64! Woo!